Saan si Denner?
Okay na sir, love you.
Our speaker for today is Mr. Denner De Leon. He joined Erie in 2007. So, as a what? Database admin officer. Before he was working with Dr. Pandi, then eventually transferred to the division. So right now he is catering all of us. Before it was only us. Okay, Denner, you can start your.
Oh my
Salamat ka naman.
Thank you for that introduction. Okay, so yeah, basically I'm just going to, this is not a seminar by the way, so this can be interactive. This is just an orientation on how to use our new Google Drive. So I will just explain the developments on what happened, what we have before, and what it is now. I will just start for a few explanation on the history and who are the teams doing it right now. So first off, Andy mentioned to me that he might be busy because of my presentation. If you know Prezi, this is somewhat more pan and zooming, involves pan and zooming. So some people might get motion sickness. So, but I have to do it item by item. So hold your seats.
3D ba ito?
Okay, so so what's the fuzz? Sabi, what's happening? Why did we create this Google Sites? So number one, to create awareness to all SSD staff that we have a new collaborating tool that we can use. Who else is using other than Erie.org or Gmail? So everybody's using Erie.org, right? Wala na, no more CGIR.org, which is runs on Microsoft Exchange. So these are two different email platforms now. We are using Gmail. So I think Erie is subscribed to Google Apps for Business, to which we have the domain Erie.org. But if you clearly look at the Erie.org, it's all Gmail. It's all powered by Gmail. And the interface is clearly Gmail. So first awareness, then awareness of existence, and the possible collaborating tools, and what are the developments and the trend. So a complete rundown of the sites that we have. First is this 1960s and 90s. First we have this what we call hearsay lang, or we just word of mouth that SSD is doing this or Erie is doing. There's not much information because electronic hindi pa ganoon kasikat yung electronic age before. But we have hard copies of publications. I think WRS existed on hard copies then before for dissemination and of course to reach extension or capacity partners of Erie. Then so yeah, it's all about hearsay.
And libraries. And libraries also.
Libraries, yeah. Of course, those are the most. Anything that is hard copy or published, that's the time. Those were the days. And now, 98, alas, we are digital. So digital meaning we can now share content over the network. But I think a few of you found this site, and I already found this to Josie. Yeah. But I don't know if this is completely published, so that's why there's a note there that the site was not online, but it was stored on a local host computer. And this is where it started. I think it's 1998, if you had to look clearly. 1998 is the date of this site. But it was not really published online, or it was not over the network. So those were the days of the HTML, CSS, and the Flash. And 2000 and 2007 is the year of the content management system. Content management system meaning yung website natin is more, what you say is more easier now to access, or to even a typical kid can create a website. So with this, there are so many ways of distributing information. So number one is we have the share portal. So share portal was introduced only not only in Erie but of course globally. But the purpose of share portal I will explain later. And if you know dashboards, if you're working in Erie, if you're a regular employee in Erie, you have this employee training, employee leaves of absence. That's a dashboard already, where you can find your training, different training background information, and yeah, the leave of absence, where you file your leaves. And the wikis is just know-how. So if you know Wikipedia, basically if what you ask, then that's like the online encyclopedia. So basic information. And yung yellow.erie.org, this is our, when I arrived here in 2007, this is the website that is was existing. So if you like to look at the interface, so there's the yellow.erie.org. The share portal is this tool, the dashboard is this, and these are the typical blocks that comes with it. So there are two ways of accessing. Of course, internet and intranet. What's the difference? Of course, internet is more about public viewing. So general information, then as much as possible, institute-wide content. If we have erie.org, that's what the purpose of having that website. But apparently, we have problems before. We have faced problems before doing this. So here is the quick tour of the what had happened. So the Erie website 2007 beyond. So 2007, I worked with Serge Gregorio, guy with the glasses before, I worked with CPS. He says that you can create your own page, but using one CMS. One CMS meaning we are using Joomla. That time was the most preferred content management system, and very easy to manage. So what happened before is we have an Erie website, and all of the subunits can create their own, and then he will just link it up together on that site. So if there's SSD, click, then we'll come to SSD. Then Albert Borrero, our systems manager, web systems manager, hired a consultant, but it didn't work out. Remember that everybody was gathered up to see what are the web presence of each and every units. Because the problem before, there are some units who have more, captivating sites. So now overrun siya, the main site was overrun. So you can't determine which is which. So sometimes you go to GIS and you never know, it's a subunit of SSD. And it's more, the website is more greater to look at rather than the main site, which is erie.org. So people get confused which is which. So 2008, Daryl Season was hired. He's the one in charge of designing and getting content from different OUs. So this is where some of the freedom of designing or layouting your own web page was altered. And 2009, official workaround with Joomla 1.6 with Leia Cruz on board. Leia Cruz was doing the Erie Bulletin, weekly Erie Bulletin. And 2010, no menus, no OUs, pure Erie. So that's the non-existent of the OU or the units, the organizational units of the institute. And then 2011, web2.erie.org was introduced. And 2012, when Darwin left to Mexico, a new webmaster was hired. And then suddenly the cyber attacks came in, the new hosting sites, and now the CMS upgrade, all rolled into one. I think the latest is Joomla 2.5 is the latest. So the SSD's web presence over the internet, if you recall, I think it's still existing, beta.erie.org slash offices. So if you notice slash offices means that you're in one organizational unit. And then if you look at the website clearly, then there's the our products. Then if you go to statistics, it will automatically go to our web page, what we call web page, not website. There's a big difference. So this is where Serge Gregorio told me, okay, you can do anything about this. So I created a slideshow, pictures here, and put up some SSD vision, mission, the usual stuff. Then research area, GIS, staff directories, photos, then the national park. And then they didn't like it, so we are running on in CMS or content management system. We always run in categories and sections and categories. So section is like the main folder, and category is the subsection or the subfolder. So we can do anything on both. But when as it grows, they become more strict. Beta.ed.org now became social sciences division. So there's not much of a difference as to the first, but at the back end there's a big change on the back end, because first we can alter sections and categories, but now we can just alter the categories or the content or the categories, sorry. So it's still the same. Okay, so this came in when www.ed.org was introduced. I think this was released 2010 or 9, sorry, 9 or 10. Of course, it's now more interactive, more dynamic, enriching content, and a little bit of branding. So yung branding, yun yung ayaw na CPS. Branding is the one thing that CPS doesn't like. That, if it's under SST, it should be SST people, SST, there should be PBGB, it should be CPS. They don't like it that way. So, but still, you can see a little bit of branding, which is there, social science. Sorry, it's too blurred. Yeah. So it's still social science division. You can still see a unit or some branding, or what they call it, branding. Okay, so yeah. So social science and economics still, we can still clearly see SSD there. Okay, so now with web2.www.ed.org, this is sometime 2010, 11, no branding, ibig sabihin, no OU menus, all content should be ERI as a whole. So, if you notice www.ed.org previously, saan tayo makikita? Where can we be located? We can be located at targeting and policy. So, I don't know, there are some debate on putting up these taglines, because you can see 1 mile high well. What's the other word? So there are some confusing words naman minsan. So at least targeting and policy clearly states that it is SSD's content. So this is our content. Okay. So one of our most accessed, second best rather than jobs na access over the internet is the databases that we have. So WordEye Statistics is one of it. Before, we had the static view. So static meaning you just have to scroll it and find the PDF download. You have to search it by year, and it can be available on PDF download. So you have to scroll it now. So it's one lengthy page. So right now we made it dynamic. So with the help of GIS, Jordel and Arnel, they created a more interactive workaround on getting the variables, playing with the variables on the database that we have, specifically on WordEye Statistics and Farm Household Survey. So you can do CSV download. CSV download is like opening it in Excel. So here's the facility. So you can choose the region, geographic extent, the variables, the year. So intranet. So intranet is more on internal or within the organization. Should not be available globally. It can be available globally, but to a certain security level within the branch of organization. So Iris SSD Share Portal site was created, I think, 2005. Sino pa more than 2005 here? 2005 is 2005 is already existing Share Portal. If not, 2006 or 2007. When I arrived, it's already here. So Share Portal is MS. So MS meaning Microsoft. It's Microsoft based, which ITS really doesn't like much. It's a SharePoint services. So SharePoint meaning it's a collaboration software, helps to simplify business intelligence, content management, search, and sharing for within the internet, within the organization. So it's somehow a tool that you can just upload the document, and I share the document here, you just have to access here. I share the calendar here, you have to check the calendar also. So it's more within the organization. So where can we see it? If you go to www, ito yon. So dito, this is where we can see all the organizational units. If you click on that blue button there, so example, communication and application services. If you click on that, it will go to a Share Portal site. If you click on Strasa, it will go to a Share Portal site. SSD will go to a Share Portal site. So all of these are connected either to a dashboard, a wiki, or a Share Portal site, which is only accessible within the organization. So if you're going to share it outside the Iris network, it can't be done. Usually it's within the network.
Then, what's the difference between the intranet and internet sites in terms of content? So say for example, what specific things could we find in each very unique? What separates the other one?
Like I said earlier, sa ERI.org, www.eri.org, institute level or institute-wide of use, the basic,
But in terms of content.
in terms of content, the very basic information of what we do. But we have to mesh it up all together. So example, SSD is doing targeting policy, you're just putting in the targeting policy page, but not specifically going into SSD. Unlike in the intranet, this is where we can clearly state our products and services. So that's one of the main differences. Basically, general info and intranet is more on organizational type of audience. The internet, ERI.org, is more on public, general audience. There are scientists, but there can also be farmers, but there can also be children watching, viewing, and of course applicants. This is the jobs page, and that's the number one here. Then second would be WRS, but this is based on last year. Questions so far? So yeah, this is how it works. This is a SharePoint. So like I said, we share calendars. We can do documents, collaboration with other people. We can do tasking projects, and yeah, we can also do extranet. Surveys and voting, very useful during my time here at EDU, especially when I gather up information. Okay, what's going to be our food on our next Christmas party? Example like that. But it depends on how we use this. But it's very, very underutilized, and this is very expensive. That is why ITS is going to shut this down. So that's the reason why we have Google Sites. So in the near future, this will be also, because of ITS, I don't know, Marco is really going into open sources or more resourceful way and efficient way of collaborating with using a collaborating software. And this is very expensive. I know it's very expensive. So what kept this page going? So if you notice the green markers, the most useful things that we have here is the documents in progress. I don't know if everybody's using documents in progress. The trip schedules, still useful. And the pictures are one of the most useful also in disseminating events at SSD. And the SSD staff directory, of course, there's still one more. Yung SSD conference room reservation, these are the just. So yeah, we can see clearly it's underutilized. Not much people know about this, or not, they know about it but they don't use it. So that's why IT is going to kill this. Kill. Very soon. Okay, so out of share portal, that's one of the reasons. And recently, ED.org is not found. What happened? So, if you go on to www.iri.org, we have mobiles right now, we have Wi-Fi. Check nyo what happened. So there's an interim site. So there's a backup solution. I don't know, that's what we call a backup solution.
Maganda sana.
But the only thing running now is just
Sa gilid.
the social media sites
Facebook,
here.
Twitter.
And good thing we have accounts there. Because if you don't have, what else are they going to see? And remember, this is iri.org. And when the Lao Prime Minister visited here, I don't know what kind of information did he gather, because there's no site up and running. So this is the interim site. So what really happened? A short news break. Oops.
Balik mo, balik.
Back. Okay.
Back. Question, back.
Okay.
Around 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Sandali.
it's that.
Stop. Pause. Oh, balik. Pause. Paano mag-pause dyan?
Okay. So this is YouTube. Sorry, it's going back. I don't know why.
Walang pause?
Should be playing automatically. So anyway, this is just a news brief that between the tensions between Philippines and China over the Scarborough Shoal, some malicious but we're not pinpointing it's from China, but the IP address came from China. So they attack websites, the official Gazette of the Philippines, even the Pag-asa, our global forecast, climate forecast in the Philippines. And even UP Diliman has been hit by what we call malicious attacks or hackers. In Erie, we are very safe. They never even told you that it was being hacked. But that's one of the main reasons, I guess. No, not I guess. I already talked with CPS about this, and that's one vulnerability. So if you notice here, government websites such as the Official Gazette, the Presidential Communications and Development, and Strategic Planning Office, Presidential Museum Library, Department of Budget, Management, are also briefly hacked by even the UP website.
Wala
So-
daw namang laman, kaya okay lang daw.
There's no use.
Kasi there's no content
So
daw
if you see the
naman.
University of the Philippines site, we came from China.
No.
Bangyan Island is ours. So
Ganyan, no.
we're not
Grabe
pointing.
naman
We're
yun.
not pinpointing. So yung Chinese that's been
Yung
doing this. It
water,
can be
ano ba naman?
But
Ang damot
based
nila.
on the IP address that we
Damot
found,
nila.
that's really
Ito
in
sa
their
baba.
locations.
Dikit
But
na sa lupa.
Philippines, next time, Philippines is our na.
Ano yun? Wala
Filipinos
nakarating.
also, when I found out, of course, media is one-sided. But when I found out, Filipinos also hack Chinese sites. And not only that, they go beyond Netherlands, even European countries. And they are telling about the situation that we have, the rising tensions. But it happened before in the Spratly Islands. So this is another
Kaya
side.
sa kanila.
Philstar, one of the magazines, news magazines in the Philippines. Philippines, China, inviolable state sovereignty. We are come from China. So that's one of the solutions. So Wang Yan Thailand, China.
Wang
I'm still
Yan.
not claiming it came from
Wang
China.
Yan.
So of course, nagkaroon tayo ng vulnerability in the PHP, in the backend.
Opo. Nakalive.
So in PHP, if you go further, yan. So PHP is one of the backend languages that we use for web, MySQL, by PHP, tsaka Apache. And PHP is the one that's being bugged. So they have let an execution, malicious code execution. And those who are threatened are the sites that only run on the CGI or the Common Gateway Interface. So currently, I think we are one of those using Joomla is CMS and has had a PHP interface, PHP backend, and that's one of the main reasons. So good thing we still have the, like I said, Facebook, other social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, Flickr, YouTube, Google Books, Ustream, and Google Sites that runs on the Irridator that we can just connect in. So it can be referred to that site. And what keep us going. I think tomorrow we will have a meeting with the web team for the whole institute, and tomorrow I will have an update on what's going on. So it might be, there's a town hall meeting, so what they told me, they also upgraded to a new CMS. So that's one of the main reasons. It took 1 month for this site to be up again, up and running. But I don't know, there's no blame, there's no one to blame. So that's where ESSD Google Sites come in. So ERI Google Site is the easiest way to make information accessible to people with quick, up-to-date access. So people can work together on a site to add file attachments,
Maliwanag to.
information from other Google applications like Google Docs, Google Calendar, YouTube, and Picasa. So it's also similar to SharePortal. So what's the catch? Why Google Site? It's also similar to SharePortal. Well, it's a free, I'm not saying it's really free, but it's a free registered under the Google Apps for business. So we can use it. If you have iri.org, you can also create your own site. But of course, that will be under the iri.org domain. But if you have Gmail, you can also create your sites on your own. You can also make money. You can control who has access or whether it's just yourself. So ito yung the best features that I like about Google Site. You can share certain information from public or specific persons only. And that's where intra and extranet will come in. So you can even publicize to the world. So that's our Google Site is now really accessible throughout the world, but only a few people know. So they have integrated Gmail, calendars, Google Docs, but now Google is also replacing Google Docs into Google Drive. Google Drive meaning you have a workspace already. So it will not only focus on Office applications or Office tool applications like Word, Excel, Power, spreadsheets. It can go beyond. Now you can put MP3s or even movies because of the Google Drive. Google Talks, the chat communication or the chat function that we have. Oops.
Ayan, hinak ka nila. Kung ano
Recorded
sinasabi
kasi
mo.
dito eh.
Narinig ka.
Oo nga, mga live, it's live.
You are live.
Ano ka? Some island dyan ng China.
Yeah.
Ayaw din ng China sinasabi mo.
Live to.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Live talk.
And also Google Calendar.
Merry Christmas.
Come from China.
Welcome from China.
So the URL or the link that goes is this. So notice yung medyo mahaba. It's really long and you can't memorize this. Unlike www.kili.org, you can clearly memorize it.
Yun naman,
But I'm requesting CPS to have it shortened or what we call tiny URL. So it might remove some of this and only social sciences division. So we'll wait for that because we have to always communicate with CPS and ITS
Dapat yung
about
social
this.
sciences division naging SST na lang.
You can change that.
Pwede naman Josie kasi.
Pwede
Yeah,
yung Josie
it's
na
not
lang.
publicly available.
Even for those who are not.
That's the good thing about Google. You can share it not on a specific person, but even throughout the world.
Especially China.
Throughout the world.
China.
So,
We are.
but I'm more sure of the security because it's Google. In Google, we know the security.
For example, going to upload a document in the Google site, will it also be accessible by non-SSD stuff?
Well, there are two ways of sending your document, right? In Gmail and also sharing it in Google Docs. So Google Docs, you don't need to go into Google Sites anymore unless you really like it published.
Yeah, but only for SSD, not for others.
Yeah, for SSD, we can still, there are still complexities on sharing information. But if you have the URL and only you have it, then only you can access it. But if somebody else have that, which is very unlikely to have.
So if you pass the link,
Yeah, if you pass the link to the other person and you pass it out again to another person, then that's the way the world would know. It's like social media. If you add a friend, then that friend will add another friend. So that will just break the networks. So as long as you don't share the link, a few people will just know.
if you Google social sciences division,
You still can't see it. You still can't see it.
Can't see it.
Can't.
Kasi
But we can opt to have it seen,
Hmm.
and it depends on how the site would be popularized. If it's trending, example, something happened and SSD is more suddenly boom, then that would be in the search engine. There's no need to hide from it because the search engine optimization, or yeah, they are going to grab it as long as you have so many hits. That's the time na makikilala or your site would be known. If there are more hits or more
Tata
tags
siya dun sa,
known,
sa search.
they can just search it.
Just to clarify, so is this page or site intended to be both our internal and external?
Okay,
And
that's what I'm here, and that's why are you also. That's why I called you guys here because this is not a one-way job. It's not only my job to just post this and everything, but it's also your job to know, to identify which is the content that you are going to publish and which are that we bypass or have overlooked, and which you can just like to see the features of the site. Anyway, I still have to explain it further. We have some guidance. So yeah, this is the new Google site that we have. Like I said, it's not one way that we publish this and this is final and they have to approve. Okay, may argument na. Joe is not here. Photoshop natin. Sino magaling mag Photoshop?
Where can I read?
Wala yung iba.
Sheila, you grab picture of yeah, there are some people who are not here. But we just got this from Neil's Facebook account. We actually get it from one of the staff who just created this. So this can be a good banner for the meantime. But if Sam sees this and then he likes to change it, and that's it. We have to do whatever he likes.
Yung walk.
This is a wacky shot of the social sciences division.
Yan ang waki. Yan ang waki.
Yan. Oh, walk it
Tao
out.
ba tao? So if you look closely at the site, similar din sa share portal natin. But this time, it's more branding on SSD's part. So when I talk to CPF, can we create a Google site more on SSD? Yeah, you can do anything you want on that site. So that's the time I really push with, okay, we put everything there from posters to Ustreams to YouTube. So ganun yung ginawa namin. And even the WRS, which is really present at the ili.org, na integrate namin dito because we can do direct URL linking to this site. And the best is, it's really simple to use. So we go to hands-on to the site. So punta tayo sa site mismo. Oops.
You, I disagree.
I agree.
Malapit na.
So we go to the home site,
Picture na.
site.google.com/a/ed.org/social science division. URL for the meantime, for the time being, but we will replace this soon. So if we go on to the main site, the home page,
Kasi ka lang.
Nahap.
map na tayo.
Pero, mamaya malapit na. Makikita yung pangalan natin.
So you eventually nakita niyo muna, the first thing that you saw is the home page. And now we have the on the sidebar we have the groups.
Bike daw Josie. Josie daw pangalan ng bike.
So I don't know, if you have more good brochures what is this all about, then we can change this because this is just what we gather for all the information during the open house. So all the information we just put in there without quality checking, without anything.
Actually, the one that is playing over and over down,
That's it.
is a very good.
Yeah, of course, it's showing. Actually, all the
I cannot
information.
explain it in English.
Tagalog mo na lang. Tagalog.
You can.
Ganon.
Well, actually, all the information naman came from the different
Because if you
information
are
that we have.
because if you are looking for content that is concise and very
Yeah, equality.
there's already some what we do, and then
I think the one that
how
we
we do it.
did on the open house is already quality check because
That's
some
a
of
very
the posters
good
alone are
content
being
in
checked
the
by
website.
CPS. So before we had to broadcast it, we also ask consent to
Wala madilim.
Tita
Basta
Mirla
nakita yung
and Sheila
content
and of
ng
course CPS.
projector.
So this is very critical as well because, like I said, it can be publicly available, and you guys are the ones responsible in disseminating the Google site. So it can be a good thing or a bad thing. Like I said, it's really complex, and even I can decide. So what we do, so of course these are the basic things that we have, the SSD product line, the 5.1, 5.2.
But that one already shows those product lines,
Yeah,
and then interact.
the one with the downstairs. Yeah. That one kasi, it's the digital signboard, what I call it. It's more on people who are just passing by. And
Yeah, but
just
it could
scan it.
it could be a good
Source also. Yeah, I can also put it there, but yeah. Those are usually JPEG files or image files. And these are hard text, text files. Okay, so second is we go to staff directory. So staff directory is also, we are going to work this out as well because right now,
Nako, kailangan magpa-picture tayo ulit.
everything is fine except for the
Edit na lang.
So, yeah, hopefully everybody's here.
Palitan natin ng pictures.
This is breaking down by one of the OJTs, Elaine.
Can we change our picture?
Ganyan.
That is under format. That is another issue.
As long as it has white background.
Yeah, we should do that. We can also schedule. CPS will be doing it. Yeah.
This picture.
Who?
Our people are much more beautiful than this picture.
Really? So I have to
Take
discard.
this picture and put some new picture. Okay.
Magaling mo bola. Okay, thanks. Okay, we will work on that. We will focus that. Okay, so staff directory. The problem with this is if we add, I have to be honest. The site we are still working on this because if you, example, if Joe Balagtas is not already present, then that would be bungi. I mean, you have, it's going to be flat. You have to adjust all of it, and that's the problem. That's why we're still working with this, with a good way of adding in the
You can arrange photograph based on the
alphabetically
yeah, category.
or category. Yeah.
and then consultation with
It
counsel.
can be
Maganda nga.
that way. So depending on the contracts as well.
Ano?
But you know, there's some discrimination as well. If you okay, why are you
Sir,
getting back? Because we
Oh.
are
Mas maganda.
not regular employees. So there are issues like that that comes along. It's the same thing as if you post the staff directory at the billboard. It's the same thing. So there could be issues. That's why we have it alphabetically arranged. But for the meantime, we're going to have a more easy application that can easily edit the turnover of manpower. So the second part, we have geographic information system. So Arnel doesn't want this to be appeared, but I just clearly insist because having it blank, at least we still have some information. But this is still a very old site that we have, that they have. So C 2008. So this is where you can have the software dollars, and they're working on this. And they told me that they plan to change this as well into a more dynamic web page. And the SSD books and research briefs, which is also available on our www.edu.org. So we have our own, and it's also PDF downloadable. You just click on the image, and you will directly go into another a script account. So a script is like another good way of sharing information, PowerPoint slides, documents, script, and you can download it as well.
Is it free?
Yeah, Script is free, and all you need to do is to register. So if you have Facebook, I think it's more easy. And I think Data Sense SSD research previously also. The last time it was not here. So yeah. SSD's books are also here, but I'm not sure if it's complete. Where's your book? You have a book?
Joel Atlas. Joel's Atlas. Joel's Bible. Joel's Bible. Diyos ko.
So there are also PDF downloads of the books. Harold's book?
I think it's not that mga bago yung mga
Yeah, okay.
The new books.
So like that one, if you had handbooks or other stuff that we can just upload, just come to us and we can just, if it's better if you have PDFs and we can do the scanning of the image and we can just upload it. And we can add another category here. Instead of books and research briefs, we can also add like handbooks, other publications, reports.
So you can actually turn all your publications into PDFs and then can be turned over
Yeah,
to
but
you.
still we
Except
have
for
to get consent from IPM.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
one of the main reasons why
yeah,
we have.
because of some published articles in journals.
Especially
Pag nasa PDF
pages,
yun.
we have to pay for publishing.
Did you have to upload all the publications?
This is according to the Google book search that we have. So everything SSD related or authors of SSD scientists and economists. And if we found out that it's a PDF download, then there's no need to confirm with IBM. It's already available on the net, and we just clearly uploaded it. So
Because
as
you
you
might
can
want
see,
to consider, I talked to Albert
Correct.
one time. Then he said that some are already in the library and you could just have a link.
yes,
So
which is also in Google Books.
yeah, so you might
Mostly
just
are
want
Google
to
Books.
have to consider the link.
Yes.
So that is like
Of course, we have to consider the IPM or the intellectual property management unit. We are the ones handling the copyrights of the publications. So if you click this PDF download, it will also download it. So GIS, they also have this service, what they call service or job request. That
Hindi ko nalagyan.
this is a form, so this is actually working in Google Docs. So Arnel told me that, Leonard, can you upload this form so it can be publicly available or institute-wide available. So this is where someone have to ask for a request of GIS services like mapping, what else? Any metadata or GIS data that you want. You can fill up your form here. So like map production, GPS collection, GIS analysis, data extraction, and conversion. So you just have to send the form and Arnel will just have it. And you can just clearly go there. I think they will just, I don't know if it's in paper or in electronic. So these are the things that we really like. Example, if you have, like Josie, if you have like WRS or any related matters that needs to arise on the web or the Google site, we can use this. So SSD posters was recently done by Nadine and of course Elaine. When I noticed that there are so many posters here, why not publish it on the web as well? So we did that. So we crop the images and get the intro text of all the first paragraphs. And we also have it here. And once you click on that, you can see a full-blown poster. But right now, I think we're going to emphasize those who have awards also. So at least we have more credibility. I mean, yeah.
Pag may award, mas ready ka.
I mean,
Scream na naman.
okay, it will be more trendy, more hits.
Hindi ka credible.
It will be more hits will come in. So it's like Twitter, more conversations about this. Yes. So you can still zoom in and still clearly see.
Then can you go back to the previous page?
The main page of the
No, that
SSD posters.
before that, yeah.
Posters, I see.
Okay,
There.
this one?
Yeah, yeah. I think you should, after the title, the author, so that it will be obvious.
Okay, we can do that. You take note alam, we have to put the author. So actually, Brian's been doing the footwork, the groundwork for getting the information.
Pero at least mas kita dyan. I mean,
May mga biases pa dyan.
The abstract. If there's a provision of the abstract of all the
property, at least
of
may
all
ownership ka na sa
the
ganyan.
owners, then we can just really put that instead of the first paragraph that an abstract is
Mas
good.
maganda may author.
Yeah. Because like I said, we are really have question marks on how we can upload. But a good way of checking or having inputs from you is to really look and okay, what does the template put here? So this is a good way of interacting. That's why I don't like this to be one-sided. We need to interact clearly what's going to be uploaded. So okay, author, then the other one, abstract. Of course, we will not just look on it. You have to provide us the information. So
Ay, hindi,
give
andyan
us-
naman na yung...
yeah, the author is here, but the abstract, I don't have it. So
Yeah, isn't that the abstract?
there are some, but I think there are some we just took the first paragraph of the
Introduction.
poster. The introduction. There are some abstracts, but there are some
So we need to
introduction.
pass an abstract.
Yes, the better. If
It's
you have an
better
abstract,
so that the author name can be.
yeah, so we can just upload. Okay, where are statistics? The OGTs did a very great job on this one because we just put, these are just images and we just put the URL or the direct link going to that site. So if you click on the WRS pages, so this is, we're still going to update this because we need titles here. So example, this one is the WRS interface, this one is the MapKit, this one is the trendy, and this one is the 3D. So if you click on that, it will go directly to the online query. So take note, I'm using a mobile, an iPad. So there are some restrictions like Google plugins, yung mga Flash. It will not work on some devices. But hopefully, in the near future, we can also work this out. That's why we bought these devices as well, to check the web presence on mobile devices. And if you have the Androids as well, the one with the 7-inch Galaxy, please do browse the web or our Google sites using that, and let's see if what's the problem, because we don't know the interfaces of each of the devices. In laptops, it's okay, but the problem with the mobile devices, we're still really not.
Is that one unit has a SIM card?
No, this is all purely running on Wi-Fi.
Like for example, you take
Yes,
it
you can
outside,
put
so
a
you
SIM.
have
You
you
can
use
put a
the
SIM that you can
so
use.
you can connect to the
Yeah.
Globe or Smart.
So yeah,
So,
you can use.
Did it come with a SIM?
There's no SIM, but we, of course, it can provide, right? We can buy a Globe Tattoo or something that we can run. a 3G network.
But is it, I mean, open line, like smart?
It depends on how we will purchase.
But ours is
No, there's
low.
no SIM inside right now.
But for example, me, I
if
would
you have a
like.
personal, you can do. But I
Yeah.
haven't tried
Is
it.
it go? What's the provider? I mean, is it Globe or
Open. This is open.
So
Yeah,
it could
what
be.
you call open line or something. Yeah. You can work with Smart, you can work with Globe, you can work with Sunset. So it's not tied up to any.
Kasi Sam said during the meeting that it could be, you could test it during the weekends, you can
Yeah.
bring those.
Yeah.
So if the only way you can test that is it has a SIM,
Yes.
so that you can connect to the internet.
Yes.
So if it did
You
not
can
come
also,
with a SIM,
we will ask Tita Helen if they have the SIMs available that we can test as well. We can ask, yeah, we can try to purchase as much as possible in order to utilize the further use of the.
Because if the people are going to the field and then either the available network would be Smart or
We
Globe.
can ask for that. We'll just have to identify which budget we will allocate. Division level or a project-based level.
Well, there are prepaid, so it's for I mean, you take them to the field, then you can use prepaid.
Okay.
So if you're going there, you just bring your
Yeah.
prepaid cards, or then you can.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. So, farm household survey database, Terry is handling this one. You're right, Esther. Yeah, you guys are handling this. So it's also an image, it's not really an actual page.
This by Joe. It's made by Joe.
Joret, yeah. Made by Joret, but now handling by Terry. And if you go to that site, you see it goes to another site, or it redirects you to another site, which is rice.tv.
Philippines, China.
If you notice the tab bar here, so it's rice.tv.org. This is housed into an Amazon server, so not in Erie. Before it's housed in Erie, but it's slower. I don't know, we did a comparison, Arnel and I did a comparison on how fast this is being shown compared to the Amazon. So there's so many variables as well. But at least it's still now up and running. If you go to www.org, you can see it. But at least on Google Sites, you can see FHS is running. Okay, so this is one of the few things that I like in the Google site is the division seminar series. So remember, we have like twice a month or a month. Every month we have these division seminars that we have. And right now the last one that we have is Matilda. And if you see clearly, Joe is here. And Robertson. Even Sam's Thursday seminar was being uploaded. Tika Jesus, and they have the YouTube or the Ustream link. So if you notice, there's a Ustream link. That's where what we're doing right now. We have a pre-recorded of the presentation, and we upload it live, and then recorded earlier. And you can just, if you missed that presentation, you can just go to this site, and you can watch it. If not, if you don't like to watch the person, you can click the slides here. So if you click the slides, it's also uploaded in the script account. And you can see the presentations there. But with consent. That's what we're doing right now with Tapu. I think you still haven't given your slides yet, right? With Elaine, have you given? Alright, okay, good. So it depends on the person how we like it to be uploaded publicly. So I see, yeah, so this is Joe Valagasi's presentation. Okay, then the video, you just click here. So this is an iPad. If you put it, if you run the Google site in a computer, you just click on the Ustream, and it's like a YouTube account that you have to watch it. So this is Dr. Mahati's presentation, or estimates. This is Kay's presentation. So if you play here, let's see if it will work. Medyo mabagal po. This is a 1 hour to almost 2 hours of presentation. So it needs time to download and we're using Wi-Fi. And yeah, some other visitors are also here. Yeah, Taku-san's presentation is also here. And this. So, okay. So this will be a long list of division seminars. I think even the orientation I will put, so everybody can gain access. So this is one of the features that I really like because we integrated not only Google Apps applications but Script and
in the rice village in this Laguna. I would like to invite Dr. Dennis
So that's running.
for his presentation.
The slides are here. If you can't see the slide, then you can just
Dinner. Since this will be a long list, probably to just click a link and then click here to watch so that you don't
Yeah,
embed
that's those are the things that we really are trying to work out. So it can be a click here to watch that instead of embedding the whole frame there. And that's one of our problems with the posters. If we embed all the posters, we've got a long list of posters. So that we did is we created an image, and that's where the URL. If you click the image, it will go to the URL. So same thing, we can do that here. But it's just an added, added look and feel. So if you don't like it to have this embedded, of course you can remove that. So this is where you guys can get on with this one. Of course, one of the most useful secretaries here, Italians, no more, admin persons. So one of the most useful things that I have right now is the SB conference room reservation. So if you click the add button, if you click on the Google Calendar here, it will redirect you to your own calendar, and you can create your calendars there by creating a reservation on the use of this conference room. When we announced in the open house that this is open to the institute, everybody's been calling and like to access this room. But now SAM clearly specifies that this would be a priority should be SSD staff using the room. Right now I have calls from Akim, Donald. They already used this before for management meeting, and it will be a long list shortly. So this will be the most useful tool in the Google side. HR has been using this for Skype interviews, and I think now, right, Maricor from DDGR,
For IPC.
IPC meetings now going to have a reservation as well. But of course, I have the power to control all of these guys, which is not. And as much as possible, if it's an hour or two, okay, it's okay to have a seminar here or a meeting. But if it's like a day or two or a training, sometimes we don't have that kind of because it's too long. And whenever we have meetings, will be our burden. So it's our own house and we don't have our own meeting. So yeah, so what you can do here is for secretaries or those who plan to create calendars, you just click your calendar here and then create your event, and I will just confirm if that's available or not. I will send you another form which is in Google Form, similar to Arnel's presentation forms. You will just fill it out if you're going to use this, a TV or a Polycom or the podium. So there are so many ways of doing reservations on the conference room. So this is one way of doing it. So if you notice in the Share Portal, all the secretaries are doing that on Share Portal. So right now you will transfer to this facility for this calendar. In the near future, you can still, if you still like the use of Share Portal, you can still use that. But once ITS cross that out, it will be, at least we already have an up and running service.
So when is the dateline of
Share Portal. They told me it's last year, and they will start this year.
Yeah, but the complete shutdown of the Share
The
Portal.
complete shutdown, I haven't, Marco hasn't given me information. on when, but I think starting now because we have Google Ely.org and all the calendars are there, the Google Docs are there, and we have Google Sites. That's the time I think they will the transition will go into transition. So another way of checking are the trip schedules. So the last entry will be on the bottom part. So Tita Lina is on Bangladesh right now. In Bangladesh. Okay, those who are on trip, we need to update this also. And secretaries can update this as well. So we can know the whereabouts of the person of the SSD staff. Where are they? So like I said, this is also very useful on the share portal. And it's now also integrated using Google Docs. Using Google Docs on the Google Sites. And last would be the photos and videos. So what we have on the digital signboard is also uploaded here. So actually it's a complete overload of content of SSD products.
Pero maganda yun sa what we do.
Yeah, for what we do, it can also actually put it on the what we do, and I decided to put a section of photos and videos. So it doesn't work on an iPad. There's a slideshow here running on Picasa. If you go into your computers, there's a slideshow there of the open house, and this is where the ribbon cutting was featured. And we will put more if there are more activities. We can put more.
Si Ryan.
Ryan is the one who created
Sira-
this. Ryan is the one who
Si Raul.
uploaded the sites. So of course, if you like to see the interface on how this works, you click this. And of course, we will give the permission, and we will of course be very tight with the access because you should have a little bit of scripting knowledge or content management know-how. So this is already an edit version. Oh, sorry. So this is an edit version of the site. So everything you type here will all already reflect on the published site. So you have to be careful. So if you see the if you see the no, we can just specify a specific persons on who can access. That's why if you're not, you can just give it to us and we will handle the layout. So there are many types. You see, there's layouts. This is where you can see the 1-column layout, the 2-column, 3-column. So these are the types of the way of pages to be shown. There's also tables, the one we did on research books and research brief. If you like to insert formatting or insert images, this is where we put all of the stuff like Picasa, Google Docs, spreadsheets. You can do it. It's very easy. Even a 10-year-old can do this. Of course, a few bit of programming here. If you know scriptings, you can just copy paste and put it here. So these are
You can just edit
HTML editing version of Google Sites. So we did that using iframes. We did this. If we need to embed a specific site, we just go to this interface. But right now you can just do copy pasting, so which is also very easy. Okay. So if you click on the pencil and we give you access to the back end of the site, you have ways to edit and do layouts of your own. Okay. Okay, we'll go back to the present slide. So the good thing about the Google site is the integration of other media, usually free resources. I like it to be free as possible. So in Google Docs, in Calendar is also integrated in your Ely.org. You can use it as well. So if, for example, if you have like minutes of the meeting that you like to share, you don't need to send, okay, here's a Word document sent to this person. So each of the person that you send has that doc file on her storage. Unless you shared it in Google Docs, you can just clearly see it, and I'm not giving you each an electronic copy of that file, of the minutes of the meeting. So you can just, okay, I will share this to this person and I'll just put the email address. So that's one way of doing with Google Docs. And calendar sharing as well. I think this needs to have a little workaround because in recent times some people haven't received any invites or they cannot agree or accept the invitation because of the domains. So I think the distribution list was created in CGIR.org and it should be done on an ERI.org, not on the CGIR.org. I think they're going to work this out as well. And good thing we still have YouTube, like I said, Picasa, and the Ustream account. So this is where we integrate. And remember, these are all free. They're not charging us anything. So we're doing all of this free stuff. Then of course we did a wee bit of scripting. The one I showed earlier, HTML, we can do that. But like I said, you can also do search if you don't like to think about the scripts. You can just copy and paste some scripts. We use app scripts and Google Gadgets. And remember, Google runs in Java, so it's somehow dependent, highly reliable. So whatever we do, in order to upload the data, we ask consent from the owner, seek advice from IPMU or the Intellectual Property Management Unit here at SSD. Here at ERI, and as much as possible, all transactions should be documented. Example, the one that we asked for the slides of each of those who participated in the SSD seminar, we have it documented. So unless if somebody, I don't like that to be uploaded, it says here that you want it to be uploaded. So for cases like that. So no time limits the level of sharing, of course, because there are some people who like their items to be published, but there are some people who doesn't want their items to be published, even their pictures and their names. So it still depends. So still we not ask for the consent. Okay. So statistics hits. So this is just being the metrics, what we call the metrics. Right now, since May 14 to May 20, we have 49 access in the Philippines and 1 in Netherlands. I'm quite surprised. Who's that person in Netherlands?
Sonia.
Sonia or Axel. It can be one of those two. And the funny thing is, there's also access in mobile. There are 2 page views in mobile. And the no means the web page, a typical laptop that we have is 48 views. So we have to understand this. This is what we call the search analysis of the market. For marketing SEOs, they like this. They know the users and how long they will stay. Kasi
From the same
ISP.
ISP. Tapos you hit the
If it's-
site 3 times, so you will update.
If it's from ERI, they will not put it on the analytics. It will be counted as 1. Then if there's a new IP address, that's the time they will record the hits that they will be receiving. So as
But
for
if you did
ERI,
it from your house,
that will be a new
and then
access.
you visit the site every day.
Well,
Wow,
it
trending.
depends on
Trending siya,
it
trending.
depends on the IP address.
Then we will be trending.
Yeah, it will be there. Of course, you have resident times. At residential residential level, I think they assign different IPs. So yeah, it will be counted. Yeah, it will not be the same as always. Unless you have like a 3,000 month per MB, then that's the time you can have your own static IP. But we need to clarify that on PLDD. But if you go to speedtest.net, you will find out your IP address. And if it changes every day, that means your ISP is giving you a different IP address. So if you click on that, this is also a good tool on checking your speed in your homes. If you have internet connection in your home, you need to install this.
Ano daw? Sa typing daw, speed sa typing.
Speed typing, ba naman yung typing? Ayan, so this one. Yeah. So they will give you the IP address and your provider. So right now, at ERI, they're giving us 500 MB. So Wi-Fi. But if it's on the network, sometimes it will reach 30 megabits per second. So they will announce here the IP addresses.
Slowly.
IP address. Hindi yata yun. Yun, hosted by Sky Broadband. Yeah, Metro Manila. I think the IP address will be next. Anyway, sa bahay, makikita nyo yung IP address. So that's what analytics will be looking into. Press E. Okay. So yeah. So oops. Yeah. Okay. So May 21, May 27, we have access in Bangladesh and India. So preferable might be Kamala or Dr. Bandari and Takashi-san who's in India. And we just can't tell if there's guys. So yung differences ng referral, direct, and organic. Referral means it's being referred to another site. Example, if you access the YouTube site or the Ustream site, it's referred from that site. So it's not a direct. If it's direct, that's the direct URL that we gave you. It means that you know the website. So there's 33% now who knows the website and have gained access from it, and 43% on those referral sites like YouTube, Picasa, Ustream, and Scream. And the organic is the search engine lang. Ang ginamit lang nila search engine. Typical search engine. Nag-type lang sila, like same said, if you type ERI SSD, then nag-pop up ito. That's what we call it, an organic search. Search engine na naghanap. And usually Bing, Yahoo, Google are the search engines that we have. Of course, number one is Google. Okay. So I'd like to thank personally the formidable team who did this. Elaine Kataputan is the one who really focused on the and really working closely together on the uploading of the contents and the gathering all the information of the site. Of course, Ryan did a very good job and
kinuha pala niya talaga ng
putting the iframes, the HTML, the scripts in progress. And just yesterday, I assigned Nadine, because Terry likes her to be more involved in IT as well. Yesterday, she started working with the posters and uploading it. And she did, Elaine did the PDFs, but the upload, Nadine did the image file. So, all three did a very good job. And thank you. Pwede na kumain or you still have questions? You still have questions regarding the website?
coffee.
Coffee?
Coffee.
Coffee or soup? Question.
Thank you for the site. I know it's kahit madali maglagay ng mga ano, it's
Still requires time and energy.
My concern is, the menu. I think some of those should be for some should be for only for ERI and some should only be for SSD.
Yeah.
Like for instance, the conference room could be for all ERI employees. And the trip schedule, I don't know if you want to expose that outside SSD.
If there's a store.
Especially, I don't think you want that exposed outside ERI. So I think, I'm not really sure, but I think Google Sites you could actually have this menu seen only by this or this people. Then otherwise, I think we should have a separate one, like the one connected to ERI.org, which is for public viewing, and then something for only for SSD.
Nice insight. Actually, it's really a brainstorm amongst ourselves with the OGP on how we can disseminate which are really available and which is not. But apparently, those who have access on that link already has information on what's listed. But we're also planning to put one sidebar.
Parang faster.
Well, yeah, with the hopefully with an credibility, with an account authorization that would go into the intranet, the intranet side of the Google site. We're also planning to put a on the sidebar. We might put an intranet menu that would greatly have the conference room reservation or trip schedules, which is really for within the organization. Yeah, that's what we're planning, to put a new sidebar instead of putting that already in there. Because we did a comparison with with Share Portal and the Google sites, and we really copied the look and feel of the Share Portal. So that's why it was. But yeah, it's a work in progress. We can change that. We can just take note of that, and we can change all the information within the intranet.
We pass from yung dati.
Any more other queries with the Google site? Okay, so hopefully it will be useful, and to you, if you need to disseminate information, you can just talk to me, and we can publish, work to in publishing the contents. Okay, so thank you very much. Kain na na.